Hi guys, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download Microsoft PC Manager. Just follow my video steps. So let's get started. Open Microsoft Edge. Search Microsoft PC Manager download. Scroll down, then click on Microsoft Apps. Install Microsoft PC Manager. Open Microsoft PC Manager, click on Start. Microsoft PC Manager is designed to help you optimize your PC by cleaning up files, managing startup apps, and boosting performance. Click on the Boost tab. This is where you'll find options to clean up junk files, optimize memory, and boost startup programs. Click on Set Smart Boost. Enable Smart Boost. Click on Storage. Click on Scan. Select all box, then proceed. Click on Apps. Click on Process Management, then turn off all unnecessary apps. Click on Startup Apps. Turn off all unnecessary apps. After this, the performance of your laptop will become much better, and close the Microsoft PC Manager app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.